Now, what is parallelism? Imagine a factory with many machines where work is divided so multiple tasks run at the same time instead of one after another. Parallelism works the same way in Spark, controlling how many tasks execute simultaneously across cluster cores. Too little parallelism leaves machines idle and slows progress, while too much creates overload and inefficiency. Turning this parameter ensures balanced resource usage and faster data processing. We'll meet in our next lecture.